Today I am doing a challenge. Now, this challenge was started by the bakers, but then Matt from Whiskey Wisdom did the challenge and he didn't challenge me at that moment. I did comment on his video and then he decided, why did I not challenge you? So he challenged me then. So here we go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways Plus Plus. Today I'm going to go through my shelves and see what 5 hidden bourbon gems I may have forgotten or not have gone back to in a while and rediscover them today. This is because Matt from Whiskey Wisdom challenged me, so if you have not seen his video, I will leave a link to that one here and in the description below, and also to the bakers. Now, this should be a lot of fun because there are a lot of great bottles here and sometimes they get pushed to the back.
No, he was putting you in the attic.
And you kind of forget about them as you're making room for others. I did start by searching my inventory and looking in the back to see what I had back there to find these hidden gems.
Diamond in the rough.
Now, before I reveal my picks, I want to challenge a few of you out there too. I want to challenge Nathan from Everyday Drinker, Your Drinking Buddy, SLB Drinks, and Major Zero. I want to see what you guys have hidden. And Major Zero, you just moved, so you should be seeing a lot of your hidden gems and thought about those already. I'd also like to challenge anybody else out there who would like to do this challenge. Sometimes you feel like you're not part of this, but if you're part of a community, the challenge is on you as well. Now, these hidden gems are like the Sith. They were in hiding only to be rediscovered, right?
At last we will reveal ourselves to the Jedi.
So I'm going to show you my 5 hidden gems in no particular order. We're going to start off with Woodford Reserve Double Oaked. Now this one is a special one because it is a double oaked. It's one I put into my barrels, but this is the bottle I had to show you. This one is special to me for many reasons. One, it's easy to find. It's on the shelves everywhere. It's a good price, about $60, and makes a good drink. You can drink it neat, you can drink it on ice or unneat.
Whiskey neat versus whiskey unneat review.
I'm sorry, unneat?
Or you can even put it into a cocktail and not feel guilty that you're putting that in there. This is actually what started me on old fashions, so I do need to go back and try this again. I will have a bottle coming in soon because a group did a pick and I can't wait to get that bottle so I can try that and rediscover this one as well. Next on my list is something that I did fall in love with last year and kind of forgot about. Bardstown Origin Series Bottled in Bond. When I first got this one, it was so good. I went through it quickly. I actually want to say I went to 2 bottles and this is a third that's just not open yet. I must have just gone on to other pours and forgot about this a little bit, but it is a very good pour for its price range. And now that you can find it everywhere and it's a Bardstown Origin, great pour. I really do like this, and this one I'm glad I went to my shelves and rediscovered it because I think I'm gonna have a pour of this one tonight.
I can't do it tonight. No.
Next on my list is New Riff Single Barrel. New Riff is a company that has some great products coming out. They have a lot of options, but their single barrels always seem to be great to me. I enjoy it, my palate enjoys it. Now this one I got was my first trip out there. I actually went to New Riff Distillery, picked up this bottle, and I've had it since. At that time, New Riff was not sold in Texas, so I was pretty excited that I had a bottle of it. Now it is sold here, and this was put on my bottom shelf, got kind of pushed to the back, and I kind of forgot about it. So I'm glad I got challenged because this is a good pour, and I want to go back to it. I want to try it again and see if it's as good as I remember it. My palate has changed a lot, so I think it is. Next on my list is one that's a little controversial. Because it is great to me, but there's a lot of people out there that don't really like it. I do, and it's Barrel Vantage. I like that this one has so much complexity, so many flavors. It's finished in straight bourbon whiskey finish in Mizorana, French, and toasted American oak. So much flavor, so much complexity. I think this is about $80-$90 bottle if I remember correctly, so it's a little bit on the pricier side. But I remember when I got this, I was super stoked and I went through a bottle, and this is I think my second bottle of it. And then of course, you know, you go on, you start seeing more bottles and you just kind of start putting the ones that you were drinking towards the back. And that happened to this one. I have a whole bunch of barrels there behind me, and this was way in the back of it. So another one, I enjoyed the pour. I enjoyed this as an everyday drinker for a little while, and I think I'm gonna move it back to the front of my shelves to remind me about this so I can keep drinking this as well. Last but not least on my list is Blue Note Juke Joint Whiskey. These are always a great pour for anywhere from a $40 to $50 bottle, you can find these and they are great. They're always a higher proof and this one's 124.3, and for that price range you can't beat it. Lots of flavors, lots of complexity. Love this bottle. I have this one, I think I have another one down there as well, but it's on my bottom shelf. And I finished that one. The other one, this one's towards the back, and I never pulled these out. So definitely a good pour, something I recommend, and a gem that was back there that I need to pull to the front to do again.
Coming through, pardon me, moving to the front line.
So these are the hidden gems that I found on my shelves. What do you think of these hidden gems? What would be on your list? What are on your shelves that you haven't seen in a while or you want to go back to? Go look on your shelves. You might be surprised. I would love to hear about your hidden gems in the comments below, so please let me know. There might be some things I've not tried that I need to go try. If you like these videos, please click on that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscription as well and that notification bell. Lots of fun giveaways and lives coming soon. Just so much happening and so much fun to be had, so you won't want to miss any of that. Thank you for joining me on another journey down my bourbon rabbit hole. Thank you, Matt from Whiskey Wisdom, for challenging me. Thank you, Bakers, for coming up with this challenge. It was a fun challenge, and now I'm going to get to enjoy these gems that were lost and have been found. So thank you again, and cheers, my friends.